Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. Today we'll be creating a database named practice. To create a database, click on new query. The format is create database, then the name of the database you would like to create. In this case, we'll be creating a database named practice. So we are going to use the keywords create database, which is practice. Then I will execute. It says command completed successfully. So it means that we've successfully created a database called practice. If you'd like to see the database you've created, you can go to the Object Explorer, click on database, and we are seeing practice over there. In case you've not seen it there, you can refresh it here using the refresh button or press F5 to refresh. So guys, we are done creating database practice.